This is the best piece of advice I've ever heard about building a high net worth. It came from a millionaire I looked up to as a kid, and it stuck with me ever since. I was worrying that I'd never have enough money to afford the things that I'd always dreamed about having. His exact words to me were, "Don't worry about earning millions. Instead, focus on the first 100,000 because after that, your net worth will go crazy." I didn't fully understand him at the time, but I did what he said, and lo and behold, it worked. So why is the first $100,000 the hardest? Well, there are two main reasons for this. The first one is your earning power. Think of this like your level in a video game. You just haven't been playing long enough to build up your skills and, therefore, can't compete with the more experienced players. This is the exact same when it comes to making money when you're younger. This issue is actually getting even worse. A recent study found that Gen Z have about 86% less buying power than my generation. The boomers did at the same age. This is partly due to older people staying in the workforce for longer, meaning that higher paid positions are harder to come by. But it isn't all doom and gloom, as the internet offers a great way for younger people to make far more money than the older generation.